He seems a little more purposeful. Match everywhere this goes. What he is now. Kid's testing him. This kid is testing him.
Oh my!
In the Philippines. Now he's a taxi driver living in...
Sa hirap ng pamumuhay sa probinsya ng Surigao del Norte ay nangibang bansa ang mga magulang ng batang Pinoy na si John Mardulog hanggang sa tuluyan nang nag-migrate ang kanyang pamilya doon sa Australia. At pagsapit ng hustong edad ay namasukan bilang taxi driver sa Australia si John Mardulog, kasabay nito ang kanyang pagpasok sa professional boxing doon noong taong 2006. Subalit hindi naging maganda ang kanyang karera sa larong palakasan at karamihan ay nauwi sa kanyang pagkatalo. Hanggang sa isa muling pagkakataon noong December 7, 2007 ay muling lumaban ang Pinoy sa isang bigatin na katunggali.
Surigao City in the Philippines. Now he's a taxi driver living in Liverpool, Sydney, New South Wales.
Kung saan sa labang ito mga bay ay tumimbang ng 137 and 1/4 pounds si John Mardulog. Bitbit ang kartadang 4 wins with 2 knockouts na may 10 talo at isang tabla. Sa kabilang banda ay ang undefeated Australian fighter na nasa 140 pounds na si Heath Ellis at may malinis na kartada itong 7 wins with 4 knockouts. Walang dudang underdog ang ating kababayan sa labang ito mga bay, kung kaya't inaabangan ng mga manonood ang gagawin ng kanilang undefeated na pambato. Kaliwete ang Pinoy mga bay na si John Mardulog. Maaari mang underdog ang ating kababayan sa laban na ito, pero bigati na ang mga nakasagupan ni John Mar doon sa Australia, kung kaya't lamang sa experience ang Pinoy kumpara sa kalaban na si Heath Ellis.
Actually, and again, got through to Heath. Clear him out. Watch what they're doing. Don't go crazy.
Here he is trying to figure this southpaw out.
Of course, it's not always the same, naturally.
Dito nga sa round 2 mga bay ay nakikitaan natin ang pagka-agresibo si John Mardulog at ang kanyang paglaban nga rito ay hindi lang pampataba sa record ng kalaban kundi ang makakuha ng isang upset win. Ito nga rin ang pinagtataka ng mga Australiano kung saan ang gagaling ang hindi nauubos na lakas ng ating kababayan.
He's very explosive, but he's always lets him go. And
I wonder how much work. Those are good punches. Those are good punches. To him because they slowed him right down. Now maybe the south. 5 rounds to go, 3 minutes a round. Heath, I'm sorry, there's 6 threes to go. 6 rounds to go.
John Mar sweating profusely. Energy, isn't he?
Yeah.
He is. His young years. Cold in the end.
Missing it, but she'll fit. Oh, good right hand. And John Mar really. Ooh. To his credit. Reaching too far with it.
Not just yet.
Round 4 in this, and the black punch coming out. Yeah, he's not
phased.
Not overawed. The red corner. Oh, beautiful. We'll see now how he's stormed. And he seems a little bit more purposeful.
Opponent.
Yeah. Oh, good right hand.
And he's cocky too.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful right. See, Heath just can. Oh, beautiful right.
Beautiful right hand. And the pace that sort of might be starting to take its toll a little bit.
Yeah. There. He felt a little bit of Junmar's power there too, whereas Junmar has felt he's.
Second thought, now he sort of looks, he's coming again.
My unofficial scorecard.
Oh yeah.
He's beat him to the.
Much in this on class.
I've got this. You're right, they are. I can't understand.
And
that he didn't
split them. They're pretty even.
Well,
pretty even in class. Gee.
He's low. Every punch has got something going on.
Against Heath.
Yeah.
Heath knows he definitely knows he's in a fight.
Oh, besides that, he was kind of holding back, trying to suss out his southpaw stance, too.
That one out.
Oh, that's Junmar off of him for the rest of this. Those punches enough to win the round for him.
He's incredible, his workload.
Yeah, they got to straighten his punches up. He's getting too many of those wild swings.
Got to keep his work rate up, Heath. He could be in trouble, mate.
'Cause
You know.
he is slowing down. He's not doing as much as he did earlier. Earlier in this round.
Thought he'd slow the other guy down. Junmar copped a few good punches, but yeah, he took it then.
Energy.
Junmar's confidence is building too.
And that's all point scoring. And that's it. The scoring punches are only glove on the scoring part of the body. Those are the only one that count.
Him off his fight.
Ooh, good punch. That's the kind of punch that can win you around.
He's getting a bit desperate now.
Oh, guns. What he is now. Kid's testing him.
This
This
guy
kid
is
is testing him.
crazy. Oh
Good
my
punch.
goodness, a brilliant left.
That's a good punch, Heath. But the other guy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Heath. That's telegraphed. They let him know Heath has got to pull all stops out.
To get set, is he? Putting the pressure on
That's
Heath all the way.
Because the other guy's swinging a little bit wild. Heath's wild swings either.
Umabot pa sa final round ang laban mga bay at kita sa postura ng Australiano ang pagod gawa ng pagpipressure ni Junmar sa halos lahat ng rounds. Ang Pinoy pa lang ata ang nagbigay kay Heath Ellis ng napakabigat na laban at ito na nga rin ang pinakamatagal na rounds para sa kalaban.
Oh, gee whiz. Stealing this
Good
round.
body
He's stealing
punches.
this round.
This guy.
I think both of them are trying for a knock, believing that, well, they would be trying for a knockout this stage. But if Junmar pulls this by a point unofficially, people home entertained.
A brilliant exhibition. They're going as hard now as they did in the first round.
Goes, mate. Rematch, whichever way this goes. You may not want a rematch.
Natapos ang laban mga bay nang walang bumagsak kaya mapupunta sa scorecard ng mga hurado ang tatanghaling panalo sa laban.
Winning boxer, majority decision, red corner, Junmar Dulog.
Daghang salamat mga bay at hanggang sa dulo ay hindi pa rin kayo bumibitaw. Nais ko pong malaman ang inyong reaksyon sa ating video. Pag-comment na lang po sa baba at babasahin po natin yan. Daghang salamat at sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri.